Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Explorer of the Seas. This particular category is an ocean view balcony, happens to be one of the aft facing, my personal favorite. Now I'm going to take you through the space here in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity or Silver Sea, make sure you do it right on harrtravel.com or reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now let's tour the room. When you walk in the door to the side, you're going to find your storage. Now in here, you've got shelves all the way up and down. You'll also have hanging storage that goes all the way across, and then those will pop down for a bit more hanging storage as well. Now I like that you've got coat hooks here, and then we're going to head into the bathroom. Now as we step inside, it's basically the same bathroom for all the insides, ocean views, and balconies. You've got the large mirrors here, decent sized vanity, and a little bit of storage underneath. Most of your storage is right here in the corner there, and then you're gonna find you have the toilet tucked just behind, and I'm gonna step into the shower. Now I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I actually do fit. I love the idea that they have the bowed out shower doors instead of the shower curtains. You're gonna have the adjustable shower wand here. You'll have your hair and body wash there that they'll replenish throughout your stay, and a nook for your own amenities in addition to the clothesline. Now as we step into the room, you're gonna have a sofa right here. Now keep in mind that you'll be able to see on the Harr Travel website or working with your advisor which rooms can hold 2, 3, or 4. You've got a floor to ceiling mirror to get ready, and then you'll find your vanity that doubles as a writing desk. You've got a little bit of storage behind the mirrors there, your temperature control. You'll find that you have a European plug here and 2 US plugs. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in a space. You've got storage down below along with your hair dryer, mini fridge underneath. You're gonna have your flat panel TV. You can angle it at the bed or towards the sofa. Now it's fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. You'll find your safe just above here, perfect size for a passport and a wallet, not quite big enough for a laptop. And then here you're gonna find your bed. Now, the bed is together in what they call the Royal King configuration right now. It can separate apart into 2 twins based on your preference. In that case, this nightstand would go to the middle of there to provide a little bit more separation of space. Either way, you've got plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away, and then you're gonna have a reading lamp up above along with a directional reading light. So now we've stepped outside to your private aft balcony. Now you've got 2 recliner chairs here. You also are gonna find 2 chairs and a table. Because this is in the aft of the ship, you do get a bit more space. Now the one on the corner has an angled view, so it's a little smaller, but you can see out the side of the ship. But I did wanna point out with all of these aft balconies, there is a superstructure behind you. So each one is a little bit different. Here you don't have much of an obstruction at all, but just keep that in mind when selecting the room. You're gonna have rooms above you and below you, along with the big suites in the middle. Now when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silver Sea, make sure you reach out to the experts at Harr Travel. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.